What's up, YouTube? So check this out, y'all. I've been in the market looking for a new project car to build and bring to the channel. So the other day I was with my buddy and we was hanging out, and I noticed that there was this abandoned BMW X5 sitting on his street. So looking at it, it didn't look too bad. It's got a few dents and dings, minor things, a little fading on the plastic parts, and the paint could need a little bit of refreshing. But looking inside of it, the interior looks good. I had a few flats in the back, might have been sitting for a while. Got a little ding right there on the passenger side. I asked my buddy, did he know whose car this was? He told me he saw a couple that live a few doors down from him that used to be driving this car, but he said they haven't been driving it as of lately. He said it might have some mechanical issues because he never noticed it sitting that long before. So he's guessing maybe they might have had some problems with it or something going on with it. So I was pretty interested in this. A 2006 BMW X5 3.0. I heard those are decent cars. So my buddy said next time he bumps into them, he's going to ask them, you know, what's going on with the car and see if they're interested in possibly selling it or what they plan on doing with it. And he's going to let me know what they say. So I was checking this car, and yeah, I think this might be a possible car for the channel. Let me know what y'all think.